Hi, this is Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. Today let's see how to make a simple Kashmiri Yakhni. For the Yakhni, I've got 800 grams of mutton here. We're going to just make a stock of this and use the meat as well to make the curry. To this, let's add a liter of water. Let's add a few whole spices, bay leaves, 2 black cardamoms, 1 inch of cinnamon, 10 peppercorns and 6 cloves. Here I have chopped 6 cloves of garlic, 1 inch ginger chopped, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, 2 teaspoons of fennel powder, quarter teaspoon of Asafoetida, salt to taste. Let's stir the pot. Let's place this pot on a flame and cook till the meat is tender. I kept the yakhni to cook for over an hour. It's ready. The meat is also cooked. It's cooked quite well. So now I'm going to remove the meat pieces and keep it aside. Now let's strain the stock. Let's heat 3 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee is hot, we're going to splutter a teaspoon of cumin seeds. And now reduce the flame to a low. So here I have half a kg of yogurt. Let's add this. And I'm going to continuously stir this on a low flame till it comes to a boil. The yogurt is boiling. Let's quickly add the cooked meat pieces. So here I have 2 black cardamoms. Just let's lightly crush them and add this. Let's add 2 cups of the stock. Let's add quarter teaspoon of freshly ground pepper, some dried mint, a teaspoon of it. Some salt to taste. Remember, we've already added salt in the yakhni. We need to cook this for at least 10 to 15 minutes till the gravy comes to a boil. The curry has come to a boil. Let's shut the flame and serve this amazing, delicate yakhni. The Kashmiri Yakhni is ready to be served. It's normally served with rice. Do try this recipe. Let me know and keep watching Get Curried.